Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be recreating this look. I got inspired by Cardi B. I really liked her eyeshadow, so I was like, oh, I should try to recreate it. And I came out with this. There's only like one thing that's different, and it's like the white eyeliner. I decided to put white eyeliner because I feel like it would make the eyeshadow pop more than just leaving the concealer, and just cutting the crease with concealer. But if you like to see how I recreate this look, then just keep on watching. And I'll have everything that I use in the description box, which the main palette that I use, James Charles and Morphe palette. But right, let's get this started. Shit. Okay, so today I'm gonna be using the James Charles palette from Morphe. I am gonna go in with the first shade, and it's gonna be the color Skip, which is this one. And I'm using some regular blending brush. This is from e.l.f., but you can use any brush. And I'm just gonna put this on like somewhat near my brow bone and in the middle of the crease. Sorry. So like and I'm just using circular. Damn, I put a lot of shit. I'm just going in circular motions. So how was y'all's New Year? Mine was, what did I do? Dude, I forget, like, what did I do? Oh, my New Year's was fun. I went to my friend's family's party. It was fun. I need to get my brows done again. I'm bringing the pink up all the way to the brow bone. I'm gonna go ahead and grab this purplish shade right here, and I'm just gonna put it on the outer corner and then blend it into the inner corner, and I'm gonna blend it in with the pink shade. Dude, next year is 2020. Damn, what the hell? Time's going by so fast. Alright, once I have that color blended in, I'm gonna go ahead with this other purple shade right here. It's a darker purple shade, and I'm gonna go ahead and use another brush for that shade and blend it the same way I blended the other purple. And then bring it into the inner corner, and I'm just using circular motions. Alright, so then I'm gonna go ahead and take a flat brush, and I'm gonna use my concealer, and I'm gonna go ahead and cut the crease. I like getting a brush that has like no product on it and just tapping on the concealer so that it dries down. Alright, so then once I'm done with that, I'm gonna go ahead and take that purple shade that I first used and blend it in to the outer corner. And I'm not gonna blend it all the way up, I'm just gonna go ahead and drag it onto the lid. And then just go in circular motions and try to move it into the inner corner. And then with the other purple shade, I'm just going to go ahead and do the same thing. So then I'm going to go ahead with this really skinny brush that I have, and I'm gonna go ahead with concealer and just go over the line right here. And then with my concealer brush, I'm gonna go ahead and cut the crease once again. gonna go ahead and take that brush and just brush down on the concealer so it dries faster. Alright, so then I'm gonna go ahead and take that brush that I used for the purple shade and just try to blend out right here and not make it too harsh. And then with a flat brush, I'm gonna go ahead and use, the white one is called Flashback. Yeah, it's called Flashback. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a flat brush and take Flashback and put it onto the lid. Alright, so then I'm gonna go ahead and take my my eyeliner from NYX, and I'm gonna go ahead and trace over the little line that I created on the crease. I could take some concealer and just clean up the edges. And then I'm just gonna bring down, I'm like gonna flick the concealer downwards. And that's gonna help kind of like blend out the lines so it doesn't look so harsh. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and do my face off camera and I'll be right back. Guys, so I finished up my face. I went ahead and put, sorry, my nail broke off, so excuse that. I went ahead and put the shade Skip on my waterline, and then, oh fuck, I just blew my eye. And then I just applied some lashes. These lashes, I honestly don't even know where I got them from. It doesn't even say a name on the packaging. So I just finished up the face and everything. I did it all off camera because I didn't want to, you know, film that and put it in the video when I have done that so many times. It's the same routine. I actually really like how this came out. The only thing that's different about my look versus the one that Cardi B had is the eyeliner. I think they just went with concealer, but I decided to put eyeliner, the white eyeliner, because I felt like it would make the look pop more. Guys, I hope you guys had a really good New Year's. Happy New Year. We want to do like different kind of videos, not just makeup tutorials. So you guys have any ideas of what kind of videos I can do or want me to do a certain video, let me know so I can do that. But with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Make sure you turn on your post notifications on to get notified every single time I post a new video. The way I ended the video was really awkward, so just enjoy this picture of how my makeup came out.